At Red Cliff Plantation State Historic Site, I'm Ranger Ashley here at the plantation. So interpreting both the site's history and some of our natural resources is my job here. Our friends Jenks and Linda, who have been doing a little bit more of a demonstration about some of the uses for the prickly pear. We don't usually allow folks to harvest any kind of plants from our state parks, so do be sure that you get permission from a ranger if you plan on using anything at a state parks facility. That way we can be sure to protect both our historical and our natural resources on our parks.
So the thing about cacti is they have what are called glochids. These are these tiny spines. These big ones, these big spines down here won't really, I mean, they hurt, but you know, you get one of these in there, you can get them out. These tiny things just break off in your skin oftentimes, and they're very irritating. They don't really hurt, but they're really annoying. And unfortunately, they're all over the fruit, so that's why I am not gonna pick these with my hands. Just gonna, yeah, I've used gloves before, and you know what? You're gonna have to throw away those gloves. You can't wash the gloves either, because then you get the stuff on your clothes. Yeah. Wow, look at
Go
that.
into botany mode. Tell us what happened to that one.
So it looks like what happened was multiple ovaries from multiple flowers actually fused together to make a single fruit. Based on the top part here, it looks like there were actually 1, 2, 3 flowers that were there together, and somehow the ovaries kind of just got fused and they developed into a single fruit.
Oh, we found now a lot of them getting used by all kind of animals. So there's a little snail inside there, all kind of little gnats.
So the prickly pear itself, we're not sure exactly when it was planted here. We know that we have pictures of it dating from 1935 at its earliest, but it was already massive at that point. So this is potentially late 1800s, at least 100 years old, but potentially late 1800s. We have our past perfect records online too, but all these pictures from John Shaw Billings are from the Caroliniana, so they have a lot of their stuff digitized online, so it's really easy to...
Why do you think somebody would take a picture in 1935 of this?
The 1935 one entered into a competition with like a camera lens. The 1943 one, I have no idea why that one was. Other than John Shaw Billings just liked to take a lot of pictures of stuff around here. Yeah, he was the managing editor of Time, Life, and Fortune magazine.
Double barrel.
So what are you doing?
What we're doing is burning these little prickles off, right? So, yeah, see how they're sort of flaming up? You might have to stand behind me to get them. Can you see them?
I can see them flaming up.
All right. I'll get back in my lane.
Go ahead, Mom. Wait, keep going. You gotta keep
Well,
going.
I had to turn around because it wasn't getting those. Wait a minute.
I
tell
ended
you
up-
what, I
I
don't know
didn't
why
take
y'all
all.
are doing this.
I'll be back.
Look, because they're beautiful.
Gosh, it's gonna ruin my stove.
You think?
Oh, how shiny they are, yeah. I think it melted the wax. They're a very waxy cuticle. Helps them retain moisture.
And we melted that, and then we waxed them, just like waxing our cars.
Wax on, wax off.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a little danger in that, isn't it?
Look
Can
at
you
that
see that?
beautiful juice, yeah.
Isn't that beautiful? So we really could save that juice, but we'd have to strain it because it might have spines in it.
Here we go. Should have used that comb, probably. Oh, one of the other things that I did.
Mom, we don't remember. That could be beet sorbet.
Mm-hmm.
What?
It looks like beet sorbet.
Is it good?
It's very good.
Was it worth all that burning?
I'd have to think about that.